In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Revolut to PayPal. Before we begin, make sure you can access your PayPal account and have your Revolut card details handy. We'll walk through linking a Revolut card, which is the quickest route for most people, though you can also link a Revolut bank account if you prefer. Interfaces can vary slightly by region, but the key options are the same. Start by signing into PayPal. Once you're in, look to the left side of the dashboard for the Pay and Get Paid section. Click to expand it, then select Banks and Cards. This opens the area where all your existing payment methods are listed, and it's also where you can add new ones. Here, decide whether you want to add a bank or a card. I'll demonstrate with a Revolut card. Click Link a Card and you'll land on a form. In the first field, enter your Revolut card number. PayPal will usually recognize the card type automatically based on the number. If it doesn't, open the card type menu and choose the correct one, like Visa or MasterCard. Next, enter the card's expiration date and the security code, sometimes called CVV or CVC, found on the back of the card. Finally, choose your billing address or add a new one. Make sure the address matches the billing address you use with Revolut to avoid verification issues. If you're using a Revolut virtual card, enter the current active virtual card details exactly as shown in the Revolut app. When everything looks correct, click Link Card. PayPal may run a quick authorization, sometimes a small temporary charge, to confirm the card is valid. You might see a security check, like a one-time code or a 3D secure prompt from Revolut. Approve it if prompted. After a moment, your Revolut card should appear under Banks and Cards in PayPal. From there, you can set it as your preferred way to pay if you like. If you run into an error, double-check that the name and billing address match your PayPal profile. Confirm that your Revolut card isn't frozen and that online and international payments are enabled in the Revolut app. It can also help to ensure you have a small available balance in case PayPal places a temporary authorization. And that's it. If you see a highlighted prompt guiding you to Banks and Cards or Link a Card, simply click the highlighted option. It's the same path we just covered. You've successfully linked Revolut to PayPal, and you're ready to use it for online purchases or subscriptions. Thanks for watching, and take care to keep your card details secure whenever you enter them online.